On the 8th of May this year, Attorney General Peter Nyombi advised the Speaker of Parliament, Rebecca Kadaga, to expel NRM rebel MPs from Parliament as they had been suspended from their party and therefore could not legally remain in the House. Kadaga, however, ruled otherwise, arguing that there was no legal and constitutional provision to expel MPs Mohamed Nsereko, Theodore Sechikubo, Barnabas Tinkasimire and Wilfred Niwagava from Parliament. The two, Kadaga and Nyombi, clashed publicly on the matter. Well, NTV has now learned that Nyombi, in the same month, wrote to Presidency Minister Frank Tumwebaze dismissing some of the grounds that KCCA councillors were intending to use to petition the removal of Lord Mayor Elias Lukwago. In the letter dated 22nd May, Nyombi quotes Section 12, subsection 11 of the Kampala Capital City Act, which provides for the removal of the Lord Mayor and his deputy by not less than 2/3 majority of all members of the authority. This will be on grounds of abuse of office, incompetence, misconduct or misbehavior, failure to convene 2 consecutive meetings of the authority without reasonable cause, among others.
That document discusses the various grounds. It disagrees with some of them, it agrees with one of them. For example, he concludes clear and says, okay, that the only ground I find most viable is the failure to call meetings. And that is the main thrust of that petition.
It is true, I did write to the Minister for the Presidency.
The Attorney General indeed admits that he wrote the letter advising KCCA on how to proceed with the case on Lukwago. He also says there need not be multiple reasons upon which a petition against the Lord Mayor can be made.
You don't need to have 2 grounds to remove the mayor. Only 1 ground is sufficient. So I did say that with regards to the ground of the mayor failing to call meetings, there was some evidence that was attached.
However, councillors for whom the Attorney General's advice was mainly meant, they being the complainants, seem to be disregarding it and continue basing their case on other counts that Nyombi quashed.
You see, issues of KCCA have been so much politicized. Okay? Councillors are politicians like the Lord Mayor. So, I do not know what games they play with him.
Media reports also show that they have already identified a Lord Mayor who will replace Lukwago, even before the tribunal named by Minister Tumwebaze winds up its work. Lukwago and his lawyers have been boycotting the proceedings of the tribunal, claiming unfairness in the ground rules set, including denial of Lukwago and his lawyers to cross-examine witnesses. Gabriel Apenu, NTV.